Now this illustration deals with rating for ambient temperature correction factors. In accordance with Table 310.15b1 and b2. Now notice in the calculation procedures applying the correction factors, Step 1, we're finding the ampacity correction factors. In accordance with Table 310.15b1. Now notice these conductors is routed in a raceway system through a temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit in accordance with 310.14a3, Informational Note 1, Item 1, as well as 310.14a2 exception. Now the exception just points out that a 10% or 10-foot rule. For example, if this raceway was 100 foot from the service equipment to the connected equipment, then 10% of 100 foot is 10 foot, so the 10% rule and 10-foot rule is equal here. Notice the motor is wired with 75-degree terminals in accordance with 110.14c1a4. Now let's get back to the boxed-in calculation applying the correction factors. Step 1, finding the ampacity correction factors. We go to Table 310.15b1. The 125 degrees Fahrenheit requires a 76% derate because we have routed the conductors in a raceway system through an ambient of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Now step 2, we're finding the allowable ampacity of each conductor. So we reference our Table 310.15b1, and we would find in the 90-degree column for THHN, we would find a 90-degree column, and it'd be 76% derate. So, and that's based on 125 degrees Fahrenheit. So 76% of 55 amps for the number 8 THHN conductor from Table 310.16, 76% of 55 amps is 41.8 amp. So the solution and answer is each conductor is worth 41.8 amps after we apply the correction factors for routing through an ambient temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's what our figure 4-2 is illustrating.